Got a lot of stuff yet to do, getting rid of the stupid blinkers and some stupid stuff that doesn't need to be on here. I got some exhaust wrap. I got my foam for my seat. There's the exhaust wrap. Deer hide brown leather to wrap the seat in. Once I got that done so I can upholster that. I got this cool shock to mount the seat with. I was going to do 2 springs like everybody else does, but I thought this would be cool to have a shock to hold the seat up. Paint the springs black, hide the electronics. Motor black, controls painted black, front struts black, bars all finished, and get those painted black. Get rid of the gauges. There's tons of stuff I want to do to it, but at least it's on the road. First things I got to do now is get that seat on and get it titled. But yeah, there's the update.